Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about what pattern, guys? Template method design pattern, right? Here is my advanced Java. Here is my NTAJ 412 JDBC. It's not JDBC. Not Hibernate was. Okay. Design pattern 614. Done. Yeah. Yeah. Template method pattern, guys. What this pattern says? Define an algorithm or skeleton or blueprint having certain logics to execute in a sequence to complete the task. Okay. In that, keep common logic with the algorithm and give specific logics to subclasses to implement. Give specific logics to subclasses to implement. Look at the problem code, guys. Look at the problem code here. Hire .NET fresher, hire Java fresher. All the 5 methods are implemented. All the 5 methods are implemented. In that one, only three methods are common logic, common for both Java and .NET freshers. Only, but 2 methods: technical interview, technical system test. Technical interview, technical written test. Both are different for Java people and .NET people. But each class is forced to write both common logics and what specific logic. And moreover, the client application should know how to call the methods, what are the method names, in which sequence they should be called. Okay, everything they should know. Then only they are able to what complete the task in a proper way. I don't want to see people doing all this stuff. I want some algorithm providing single method. When you call that single method internally, all those methods should be done. When you call that single method internally, all those methods should have take place, guys. Okay. Yeah, here onwards template method pattern, guys. File new. Here is my template method pattern, guys. January 20th, 2022. Problem. Task 1. It's mistake, huh? Oh, sorry. Problem. Task 1 to complete. Now, what are the methods I should call? M1, M2, M3, M4. M1, M2, M3, M4. Yeah, tell me. We should remember the order of methods. We should remember the order of methods, the name and order of methods. The name and order of methods. That's it, was solution using template method DP. Solution using template method DP. Super, guys. Okay, guys. Now I'm taking a method called wide task 1, guys. M1, M2, M3, M4. Here is what, guys? M1, M2, M3. Okay, now to complete task 1, guys, what should I do? Simply call task 1 method. Yeah, tell me, guys. Yeah, here we need to call only one method. We need to call only one method. Okay. To complete the task. Are you listening my statement, guys? We need to call only one method to complete the task. Yes. Shall we go for it now? Yes. Template method DP is a template method DP is a method in superclass. Method in superclass. Okay. Calling multiple methods in a sequence to complete the job. Multiple methods in a sequence to complete the job. Okay. In those multiple methods, the common methods will be implemented. The common methods will be implemented. The common methods will be implemented in superclass itself. Whereas the specific methods, okay, will be left to subclasses to implement. Will be left to subclasses to implement. Convinced, my dears? The specific methods will be left to subclasses to implement. Will be left to subclasses to implement. Clear? Got the clarity? Let's get into the implementation part, boss. Yes, switch workspace, NTDP 614. NTDP 614, guys. NTDP 614. Yeah, it's like batch work only. Arey, why Eclipse is taking time sometimes, Rabab? Done, guys. Here you observe template method pattern. Template method pattern solution. Yes. Now I'm taking a super class, guys. I'm taking a super class here. I'll take it as abstract class. Abstract class. What is that? Hire fresher. What is that? Hire fresher. Yes. In that one, public boolean. What is this? Conduct. In that one, public boolean. Close everything. Hire fresher. Conduct aptitude. Conduct aptitude test. Systrace. Systrace return true. Return true. What's the next one, guys? Conduct GD test. What is that? GD test. Group discussion test. Here, conduct GD test. Return true. Now tell me. Public boolean. Conduct technical return test. Technical return test. Okay. Conduct a technical return test. Return true was. Conduct. Tell me, guys. Conduct technical return test. Conduct technical. What is that, guys? Interview test, whatever it is. Technical interview test. Technical interview test. But one small thing, guys. One small thing. Technical interview is not specific to Java, right? Okay. So they will change time to time. Since they will change time to time, I will take them as abstract methods here. I will take them as abstract methods here. Come on, guys. Okay, but again HR is common, boss. HR is common. Conduct HR interview test. Conduct HR interview test. Done, boss? Okay. Now I am giving template method now. Template method DP. This is the real template method, guys. Check it out. Public Boolean. What process? Recruitment. Fresher recruitment. I'm going to call multiple methods. Here I'm going to define one algorithm, one skeleton, calling multiple methods in a sequence, guys. Fresher recruitment drive. Fresher recruitment drive, guys. Now tell me here first. Boolean result is equal to conduct aptitude test. Okay, first you get the result of that. If that result is true, then result is equal to, yesterday in the client code, you can write this kind of logic also. Conduct GD test. If that result is true, come on. Result is equal to conduct technical interview test. Technical written test, fine, guys. Technical written test, guys. Okay. Technical written test. Undefined. Conduct technical written test. RN is there. Done, boss. If that result is true, then result is equal to conduct technical interview test. Okay. If that result is true, result is equal to, tell me, conduct the HR interview test. Oh, aptitude, why aptitude again? HR interview test. Then what is this? Written result. I think you understood. It is calling multiple methods in a sequence, guys. Come on, it's a better logic. Yesterday someone didn't like, some people did not like. Okay. The logic in the client application. Okay. Now this is simple if only. If is not nested one. It's a simple if only, right? I said today I will give better logic. Today I will give better logic. Did I this statement or not? Okay. Yeah. If you pass this exam, then this. If you pass this exam, then this exam. If you pass this exam, then this exam. If you pass this exam, then this exam. Right? Okay. Fine, boss. So template method DP defining the algorithm or skeleton to complete the task. Got it, guys? Super. Next one, hire .NET fresher, boss. Hire .NET fresher. Extends from hire fresher. Hire fresher. Extends from hire fresher. Yeah. Aptitude test is required. GD required. Okay, HR required, guys? Not required. Then what is required here? Okay, conduct technical written test. Conduct technical written test was super boss. Next, conduct technical interview test. Done boss. Are still both methods are not implemented, it seems. Okay, why HR is not required? Sanket Misra, this is already there, na? They are the common interviews, ra babu. Sanket, be in the classroom, ra babu. You should feel shy asking that question because they are the common logic already defined in super class, right? Respond, Sanket. Muddy fellow. Okay. Fine, boss. Written spell mistake might have happened. Right. Written spell mistake is happened. That's why it is giving this error, boss. Okay. What is this? Conduct technical test. Conduct technical interview test. File save as higher Java fresher. Higher Java fresher. Higher Java fresher. Right. That's it, guys. Yeah. Since it is a Java one, here Java, here Java. Otherwise, wait a minute. Wait a minute, Rababu. Systrace here. Systrace here. Okay, on safe side, let me highlight Java there. Here also, let me highlight Java here. Done. Let me highlight .NET. .NET. Super, guys. Now listen. In future, PHP also make up. I think nowadays, compared to PHP and Python, UI technologies are doing well, right? Yeah. UI technologies. UI technologies. Higher UI fresher. High UI technologies fresher. Higher UI technologies fresher, guys. Higher UI technologies fresher. Are you listening my statement, guys? Higher UI technologies fresher was. Tell me, guys, conduct technical written test. Conduct technical written test, but not this one. Systrace. Okay, here I will write UI. Interview test. Tell me, guys. Now tell me. Client shows interest. Did the client shows interest of working with all these things at a time? No. Client wants to get One of these three things. One of these three things based on the type he pass. That means what is the new pattern I should introduce? Client is. Do you think client is interested in all the three objects at a time? No. At a time, he may show interest on what? Either recruiting Java fresher or what? .NET fresher or UI technology fresher. In future, some other fresher, right? When client is not sure what you want, then better to get the object. Better to get the object through factory pattern or not. Better to get the object simply through factory pattern or not. What do you say, guys? Now tell me, what is the today's statement? Template method DP is a method in superclass. Calling multiple method in a sequence to complete the job. In those multiple method, common methods will be implemented in superclass itself, whereas the specific methods will be left to subclasses to implement. Don't you think my entire statement is matching with this method, guys? This is template method. Calling multiple method in a sequence to complete the task. Okay. In those multiple method, common methods will be implemented in what? Superclass itself. And specific methods will be left to what? Subclasses to implement. Subclasses to implement. So that means algorithm is defined or not. Skeleton is defined or not. To complete a job by calling multiple methods in a sequence or not, guys. But at the same time, okay, we are not losing the freedom of flexibility, boss. We are still giving freedom of flexibility for specific method. We can implement them in the subclasses however they want. We can implement them in the subclasses however they want, right, guys? I think you understood the basic point of template method DP. I hope you thoroughly convinced, boss. Really convinced, boss. Come on. Are you able to, Satish, Sastri, Thakur, are you getting problem anyone to see the content of the screen, guys? People are saying I don't expand. Please, everyone, please tell your opinion. Those are watching classes in the mobile. Those are attending classes in the mobile. Are they getting any problem to see the content? But I got some different request, guys. I don't know what he is trying from me. He's saying that don't expand Project Explorer and all this stuff. If I don't expand Project Explorer, how you will know, Ra Babu, which class belongs to which package? No, I think it's the same, na? Every day. These many days we continued this. Oh, okay. I don't know what he is asking exactly. Okay, fine. I think whatever screen I am having, you are having the same screen, right? I think in mobile also not a issue. I should expand like this. I should always keep magnified one or this one. This and this back to back. Come on, guys. What is there in that? You want this one together. But how can I write code in the small area, Ra Babu? You have to see totality, na? I have to see totality, right? If I write like this code, you cannot see total code. You want me to close this outline window, all this stuff, huh? Okay, fine. I closed that one. Any other farmaish? Any other farmaish? Tell me. Any other desires? Tell me. I'll try to fulfill. Close hierarchy also. Type hierarchy also you don't need. Array type hierarchy today we got it, na? Right, boss. But I think this is a small thing, boss. Let it be, boss. Now let's go for right click, new package, com.nt.factory. Okay, new class, guys. What is this? Higher fresher factory. Higher fresher factory, boss. Done, boss. After that, what next? Higher fresher factory. Yeah. Public, static, higher fresher. What is the one I have to say? Higher fresher. Okay, I think better one is what? Get in a stance. I'll take it as what? Get in a stance. String type. Okay. Static factory method. Basically, okay, factory pattern. Right, boss. Really going to be factory pattern, boss. Okay, on public demand, let me type by keeping like this only. Tell me, guys, higher fresher is equal to higher fresher is equal to null. If type equals ignore case. If type equals ignore case Java, fresher is equal to new higher Java fresher. Else if type equals ignore case .NET, guys, fresher is equal to new higher .NET fresher. Else if, guys, type equals ignore case PHP. Fresher is equal to, actually it's not PHP, it's a UI. Yes, you are right. UI, guys. Fresher is equal to new higher UI technology fresher. Else throw new, tell me, illegal argument exception. Illegal argument exception. Invalid fresher type. Invalid fresher type. Return fresher. Okay, illegal argument exception. Return fresher. End of the method, end of the class. End of the method, end of the class. Here is Java, here is .NET, everything, guys, boss. Okay, factory is ready. Let's go to client. Okay, Client recruiter, or you can take a really nice name as what? Template method test or recruiter. Anything you can, boss. You can go for anything. Template method test. Otherwise, we'll continue the recruiter only. On the top of the class, we will write what? Client application. Super boss. Public class recruiter one. Here is my main method. Public class recruiter one. Here is my main method. Understanding my statement? Yes, boss. Okay, guys. Public class recruiter one. Public static void main string args. Understanding my statement, guys? Right, boss. See, guys, factory. Using factory is going to get us higher fresher. Fresher is equal to, tell me, higher fresher factory dot get an instance of Java. Higher fresher factory dot get an instance of Java. Done, guys. Get an instance of Java, boss. After that, what is the next work we have got? And fresher dot. Okay. Boolean result is equal to fresher dot. Fresher dot recruit. What is that? Fresher dot fresher recruitment drive, not driver, drive only. Drive only, my dear. Drive. Okay, drive. Yes, guys. Okay, guys. Fresher recruited plus result. Recruited. Easy now, boss. I think job is done nicely. Recruiter 1.java. Fine. Oh, there are errors. Where are errors? Okay, no need of recruiter 2.java, boss. No need of applying condition. True, false, enough. Fresher recruited, false. That means not recruited. Aptitude test, GD test, technical written test, technical interview test, conduct interview test, recruited. Understanding my statement? Okay. Understanding my statement? Is that clear, guys? Understanding my statement, guys? Are you with me? Fresher is recruited or not? Fresher is recruited or not? Okay. This is the result, guys. Fresher recruitment drive. This is Java system.out.println. Is that clear, guys? I hope you enjoyed this logic thoroughly. Super, my dear. Okay. Yeah, there is a factory pattern. There is. See, boss, now as a recruiter, you need to remember one method or lots of methods, sir. Lots of method. At the same time, for a .NET guy, .NET technical interviews are conducted or Java technical interviews are conducted. Definitely .NET technical interviews are conducted. Understanding my statement? Okay. Right, guys. .NET technical interviews are conducted or Java technical interviews are conducted. Definitely .NET technical interviews are conducted here. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super, boss. I hope you enjoyed all these statements. Okay. This is about template method design pattern. Yeah. Why this is? Anyone can tell me solution why this snipper tool is not working, guys? Anyone can help me? All of a sudden, snippers tool stopped working, guys, in my system. Now, control plus shift plus, yes, I know that. But I think some settings got disturbed, guys. Snipping tool, guys. Okay. How to do snipping, boss? It's not coming, Ra Babu. Snip now. If I restart, then it will come. If I restart, entire session will be disturbed, Ra Babu. Without restarting any option. New here. I clicked on new button. Okay. Snip in 10 seconds. It's not coming, boss. It's not coming at all. What's the solution for this one? Snipping tool. Okay. New. Okay, I think we got it. We got it. We got it. What is this, guys? Okay, we got it. And okay, fine. Yes, okay. Solution code, guys. Yeah, if I restart system, I think problem will be solved. I'll restart the session later. Solution code. Yeah, very quickly, let me put. Yes, guys. Hire fresher dot Java. Okay, hire fresher dot Java. Nice, boss. Hire fresher dot Java. Right. Next, here, what is this? Hire Java fresher. Hire Java fresher. Hire .NET fresher. Hire .NET fresher, guys. Hire .NET fresher. Next, guys, hire UI technology fresher. Hire UI technologies fresher dot Java. Yes, boss. Done. After this, UI technologies fresher. UI technologies fresher. This is factory, boss. Here is the factory. Okay, factory pattern. Array, if I don't paste also, you will collect from the Git, but it will kill your readability. That's why I'm doing this much hangama. I know it's waste of time for me and you, but I have to do it. Yeah, client application. Here is the client application. My intention is very simple. You should be in a position to get the totality when you are reading. That's it. Done, boss. Okay, fine. I'll push the code in the Git, guys. Okay, boss. Yeah, but before going further, today I'll introduce some interesting document, guys. I forgot. Actually, I forgot. Right from singleton pattern, I have to introduce. Okay, right from singleton pattern. Yeah, abstract. All these are the methods acting as abstract factory. Come on, come on. All these methods are there, na? New instance method of document builder factory is based on abstract factory. It is seriously based on abstract factory, boss. Yes, abstract factory. New instance method. All these are related to XML processing, guys. All these are related to XML processing. Okay. Yeah, all these are just factory method. These are not factory method patterns, guys. Okay, factory method, get instance, get bundle. Okay, get all this stuff. Right. Similarly, what is our pattern? Template method. Template method. Okay, where is template method, Rababu? Proxy, flyweight, facade, decorator, adapter, prototype, factory method. Template method is not there. It's given alphabet wise. P, behavior, no here. Mediator, memento, observer, state, strategy. Okay, not there, boss. Template method is not there. Okay. Yeah, see, not compulsory. If there should be one or other predefined class implementing that pattern, boss. There should be one or other predefined class. Right, guys? Predefined classes. Okay, implementing different patterns. Different patterns, guys. Okay, singleton Java class. Tell me what are the patterns covering singleton Java class, guys? They have not given anything in singleton, guys. I hope so. They have given for singleton. Yeah, these are the singleton, guys. Including methods they have placed. Right. 14. Yes. Okay. Security manager, system class security manager also behaving like this. Next, guys. Factory patterns. Factory pattern. Or in many places, factory pattern is there. In many places, factory pattern is there. Tell me, guys. Connection con is equal to, what is this? Driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Yeah, can we feel that as a factory pattern or not? Okay. Based on the type we pass, it has to give one of the related class objects. It provides abstraction on object creation, guys. Okay. Object to obj is equal to factory dot get bin. Array Springra Babu. Factory dot get bin. Based on the bin ID we pass. Based on the bin ID we pass, it will return bin class objects was. Right. Okay. Abstract factory patterns. Okay. Abstract factory patterns. Yes. Array, this new instance method returns one factory. This new instance method returns document builder object. Document builder is capable of returning other objects. Everyone getting my point? Factory of factories now, boss. These are related to XML APIs, boss. These are purely, literally related to XML APIs. Factory of factories, boss. Next one. See here, they have done one blunder mistake. When they factory method, they have just given real factory methods. Java factory methods they have given. Did you notice it? Check it out. Get in a stance, returns object, returns object, returns object, returns object, returns object. Do you think really? Okay, guys. Do you think it's really factory method patterns? No. These are not factory method pattern. That's why don't believe everything that is coming from internet, guys. Don't believe everything that is coming from internet. Is that clear? Okay. Fine, boss. Template method pattern. Template method pattern. Okay. Yeah, it's not compulsory. There should be ready-made predefined class supporting every pattern. Maybe there, may not be there. Maybe there, may not be there. Since the discussion has come, okay. Since the discussion has come, I'm trying to search in the internet, nothing else. Okay. Tell me, guys. Java class implementing template method design pattern. I think somewhere long back I have seen, guys. Okay. Template method design pattern. Template method design pattern. Everyone is talking about how to work with the template method pattern. Acha, I will give, guys. Why I'm wasting my time and your time? A lot of template method patterns are there, Babu. JDBC template. Anyone know Spring? Anyone know Spring? It will take care of sequence of works internally or not? JDBC template. Named parameter JDBC template. Come on. Okay, next. Simple JDBC template. Hibernate template. All these are based on what? Template method pattern. Come on. REST template. Super, guys. REST template. Yes, guys. Each method we call each method we call each method we call in these classes calls multiple other methods in a sequence to complete the task, to complete the job. Okay, in those multiple methods, okay, some logics are written by us and some other logics are written by template class itself. I think while working with all these template classes, we write every logic or only few logics. We write only few logic. Most common logics will be taken care by whom? Most common logics will be taken care by whom? Most common logics will be taken care by whom? That particular template class itself or not? Most common logics will be taken care by template class itself. Okay, boss. Right, guys. Now let me commit this code. I'll commit this code I think, did I commit this code, guys? Yeah, let me send. I think I have not kept all these things. Yes, let me commit these, guys. Git staging. Team commit. Okay, DP projects. push head, preview, push. Yeah, you want GitHub URL? Yeah, this is the GitHub URL. This is the GitHub URL. Say push. Guys, I hope you got the clarity. Thank you. Tomorrow when we meet, we will discuss one, two new design pattern. Don't worry. Thank you. Have a nice